Does your puppy tremble or hide during thunderstorms or fireworks? Helping your puppy overcome a fear of loud noises requires patience, gentle guidance, and positive experiences. Begin by creating a safe, comfortable space. Set up a cozy den with their favorite bed and toys where they can retreat when feeling scared. Playing calming music or white noise can help mask sudden, startling sounds. Gradually desensitize your puppy by playing recordings of the noises at a very low volume during playtime or treat sessions. Slowly increase the volume over several days or weeks, always ensuring your puppy remains relaxed and happy. Pair every sound exposure with treats, cuddles, or play to build positive associations and reduce anxiety. Never force your puppy to face their fears or scold them for being afraid, as this can worsen their stress. If your puppy seeks comfort, offer gentle reassurance without making a fuss. Consistency, patience, and kindness are key to helping your puppy feel safe. For severe cases, consult a professional dog trainer or veterinarian for additional support. With time and care, your puppy can learn that loud noises aren't so scary after all.